Hi guys, in this video we will see Linux commands. First of all, we need to know what is the server. We have two servers like a virtual server. What is meant by virtual server? Virtual server is a server. It will be created on cloud, like cloud. That could be anything like AWS, Azure, or GCP, or any other cloud providers that will be created on cloud. We can use that server. In this video, I'm creating with AWS EC2 instance. Here we will find some basic commands like Linux commands. What is like sudo -i? It is switch to root directory, like root user, and touch command is to create an ls is a list of files, ll long list. So we will see some commands like a cat command, and we can see rm remove command, or we can create some folders through mkdir. After that, we will go to that particular directory, like our root folder. We can execute some commands here. I will show that in practical in AWS. So we'll connect through AWS. First of all, we created one AWS account here. So I'm connecting to AWS console here. I'm signing in. Here I'm choosing EC2 instance. Here I'm going to launch instance. Here we need to give name tags. So in this I'm giving Linux. After that I'm choosing Amazon Linux. So here I'm choosing Amazon machine image. So here I'm choosing N-1 version. So it's a free type. After that I'm fine with the instance type. So here key pair. In previous video I have created key pair. So if anyone don't know how to create, you can watch the previous video. I will give that video in here. After that I'm taking the key pair. I'm selecting network settings. I have already created common security groups. Taking some time to load. Yeah. After that, we need to give configure storage. This is the default storage of VM. So after that, number of instance. This is the EC2 instance. In Azure DevOps, we have like a VMs. So in here, we are using EC2 instance. So we are given name and tag. We have chosen image and instance type. We have given key pair, and we have given network security here. After that, launch instance. Then the instance will be launched here. Yeah, after instance, wait 2 3 seconds, the instance will be launched, running state here. After that, how to connect our server into local machine? We have two ways to connect. I will show. Yeah, our instance is running here. So we can connect, we can go click connect. So we have EC2 instance connect. We have connect. So we can connect our server in browser. So select connect. Then we connect through the browser. Yeah, our browser is connected here. So I'm not using this browser. So I'm cancel that one. I'm using like one terminal. So in this terminal, we can connect that one Mobaxstrom. So here in this Mobaxstrom, we will connect that server and we use that server here. So in this, we can use home edition, download it. After that, we can use that. So here I'm selecting demo like Linux. I'm taking public IP address. After that, I have installed Mobaxstrom. So I will connect to the Mobaxstrom through SSH. So here I'm giving the name is the default username like EC2 instance. After that, I'm selecting, yeah, I'm selecting Ansible, selecting OK. Then we connect to the server. So here it's giving one message like run sudo yum update. It means it will update the packages. So we run sudo yum update. Then the update will be done. So here asking like 345K. So I'm selecting yes. Then the package will be downloaded here. Yeah, that will be downloaded. After that, I'm going to root user. So sudo hyphen I, it go to root user. So I'm set this public IP address. So I'm set host name. So host name CTL set host name. So I'm giving name as like AWS. Then yeah, we have logged into AWS. So here in previously I have said like we can create one folder in that I'm executing commands here. So mkdir we give name. What is the name? So I'm giving name as Swiggy or anything. Like we can give name as um, moon, cd moon. We will come to that folder. In here, basically Linux is free and open source. Less bugs, speed is higher, multi-user based, multi-programming support like Java, Python, Node.js. It will work all networks. So here we have like two components here. So here I'm selecting this one. So in Linux, we have components like in components one is kernel, second one is daemon, third one is shell. So here kernel is manage hardware component like RAM, CPU. It is also called as lowest level of programming system. So kernel deals with hardware, RAMs, CPU. It also called as lowest level of operating system. And daemon. What is mean by daemon? So daemon is manage background system like sounds, lights. When you start the PC, like daemon will take it to on the lights, sounds. It will manage daemon. In shell is managed by the user inputs like this user input. So shell we have commands like scripts, programs. It will take input and gives the output. For example, we are giving input and will take output that deals with shell. Here we have two ways like GUI and CLI. So GUI means graphical user interface. Or for example, we have any software, for example, Windows. So in installation of Windows, we have everything like graphical way. We can click, we can insert, we can add, and we will submit or we will save. Then the application will be works. In CLI mode, everything will be black and white. So only commands will works in CLI. So we will see here. In Linux, we have Ubuntu, Red Hat, and so on. So here we will see some commands of Linux. So we'll go to the terminal. So we have these one is thing. So I need to clear. How can we clear? Control L. The entire screen will be clear. After that, I will create one file. Touch file one. I'm creating touch file one. So I have created file one. So how can see ls means list of files. So I have created file one, and what is the inside of the file? So I have created file. What is inside the file? So I want to see that cat file one. So in this I haven't write or any wrote anything. So I wanted to insert some content in file one. So cat greater than file one. So in that we can insert the value like hello world today's. So I'm taking hello world. So after that I'm exiting one. How can go control D? We can we have saved that one and we entered to previous. I can see what is the inside of the file. So cat file one. So we are saying hello world in this Linux commands. So these are the basic commands. So we can create lots of commands. Here I have created one file one. So I am copying file one to file two. So I haven't created file two. So I copy file one to file two. So what is the command? CP means copy file one and file two. Then the copy file will be done. So we'll see LL means long list, LS means short list. So I wanted to see what is the content inside of the file two. So I'm giving cat file two. So I have getting value hello world. In previously we have created file one hello world. So in this I'm copying the file one to file two. So I'm getting value file one to file two here. Here I'm going to move file one to file four. So here I am moving file one to file four. So what is the mean? I am moving file one to file four. So what is the content in file one that will be moved to file four? So in list of files we have seen previously file one, file two. So here I am moving the file one to file four. So we will see file four and file two. So I want to do delete file two here. So what is the command? Rm file two. Then the file two will be deleted. It is asking remove regular file two. Yes. So I want to see what is the files are there. So we seen file four only. We have deleted or removing file two. So here I am creating some files. Touch file. So I'm creating or I'm giving name as touch Java. Anything 1 to 10 means we have created 10 files. How can we see ls mean short list, ll long list. We have created Java files 1 to 10. In this way, we can use commands here. In some case, in real-time scenarios, we have created files and we can insert content into in files like cat command. Basically we are not using real time. So what, how can we use, how can we edit files in real time? So I'm showing here like editors we have vi and vim editor to edit the files. Cat command used to insert the content only. If we want to edit content, we need vim editor. So in this Java file, so I am editing vim Java 1. Then I am coming to one editor mode. So in this, I am editing the file. So that will be not works. So here we need to give insert mode. How can we give insert mode? Press I. Press I. Press I. Then we can be seen like insert mode in bottom here. So here I am select giving name like I'm inserting some content. Hello Java. So I have given files here. I have some raw files here. After that, I wanted to save. How can I save? First of all, I want to log out this editor. What should do? I can press escape here. After that, shift colon. I want to save these changes to file one. So WQ is the save changes. So I have edited the Java 1 file. So I want to see what is the content in. So I can see cat Java 1. So we can see hello Java. We have seen and we have created files this way. And we have lots of comments here. I want to add one user. So in real-time scenarios, we need to give permission to the users and we can manage their permissions like our rollbacks. We can give roles to them users. So here I'm giving user add. So I'm giving name as any name like I'm giving one name. So Redmi. So here I want to see I have given user one username I have given. After that I want to see what is the password. Cat etc password. Then we see list of the I have what, password. Then we see no such directory is here. So in this case, first of all, users. So in this we don't have any users. So I wanted to log out here. So I will come to root directory. In here ls, we have only folder as moon. So here I will execute the commands. So here I am giving user add Redmi. The user Redmi already exists. So I want to see what is the cat etc password. So in this case, what we do, we can see any groups are there. So here I'm giving cat etc group. So we haven't created any group. So we have created one user, that is Redmi user. So here I'm creating one files, like I'm creating touch file. Yeah, what is the content inside? So we will see file, cat file. So I haven't created anything. So I'm vim file one. So here insert, we can insert the files or anything. I can insert anything here. So in real time we cannot edit this much content here. So we have everything a bit tracked. So be careful to do commands here. So what is the inside file? So I will check here. So I wanted to give cat file. We have created files here, and we have copied the files, and we have created like a root user, and we have created here. I'm giving commands. Sudo hyphen I means root, switch to root user. After that, touch file. So in this, we can create files. After that, ls means short list, ll means long list. After that, cp means copy file 1 to file 2. After that, rm, we are removing file, or move file 1 to file 4, moving. So these commands we have seen in this video. So Linux commands. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks. Share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you everyone.